Hello, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Explorer feed on Instagram. So let's jump to Instagram. So yeah, this is my Instagram feed basically. So what I want to do is I want to show you how to reset this feed. So basically I'm a graphic designer, or a video content creator. So basically I would like to have content similar to that, but sometimes similar contents appear on our feed which we don't want. It's like the first one on my feed. So I don't want to see these posts on my Instagram feed. So how I'm going to remove them? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go and clear your search history. Basically click here on your profile, and after that click on the three dashes on the top right corner, and after that click on the setting, which is the first option, right? After that, what you need to do is you need to click on the search bar and type in search. Yeah, right in search in the search bar, and it's going to show you recent search. Click on this and click on clear all, right? And clear them all. And after that, go back and go to your feed, your Explorer feed, right on Instagram. And now, after that, what you need to do is you need to click on the post that you don't want to see, and then click on the three dots on the top right corner of that post, and click on not interested, right? And it's not going to show you that kind of post anymore. And press back and go to your feed. If you see similar posts like this one, like we see one here, you can just simply make it not interested, or click here, and just go in not interested again. It's gonna hide all the content that you don't want on your feed similar to that content, right? So you can just click on this again, go not interested, and go back. So yeah, that's pretty much how you reset your Instagram Explorer page. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.